Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Gladiator roof. First, let's tackle the hardtop's front freedom panels. Begin by locating the two quick-release latches above each front door and unlatching them. Next, you'll need to unscrew the 6 retaining bolts, 3 on each side, found along the soundbar and at the rear of the panels. Once these are loose, carefully lift and remove each lightweight panel. Store them safely. Now, for the larger rear hardtop section. First, disconnect the rear washer fluid hose and the electrical harness, usually found on the driver's side. Then, remove the 8 Torx bolts that secure the rear section to the body. These are typically located along the sides and rear. This part is heavy, so enlist a friend to help you carefully lift the entire rear section off the vehicle and store it securely. If your Gladiator has a soft top, opening it is a bit different. Start by unlatching the 2 front header latches located above the windshield. Once unlatched, gently push the top back, guiding the fabric so it folds neatly into the rear storage area. Ensure no fabric is pinched. Finally, use the integrated straps to secure the folded top, preventing it from flapping while driving. Enjoy the open air. Remember these crucial safety tips when enjoying your open-air Gladiator. Always store your removed hardtop panels in a safe, flat location to prevent damage. Never drive your vehicle with any unsecured roof components or panels, as they could fly off and cause an accident. Always double-check all latches and bolts before driving. For more great content, and to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Drive safely and enjoy the freedom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.